జగిత్యాల జిల్లాకు మంజూరు చేయబడిన ఫోక్సో న్యాయస్థానం ప్రారంభోత్సవం మరియు సీనియర్ న్యాయవాది కాసుగంటి లక్ష్మణరావు సుమారు 1,20,00,000 వ్యయంతో కట్టించిన న్యాయవాదుల లైబ్రరీని ఈరోజు జగిత్యాల జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ జి. రవి గారు కోర్టు ప్రాంగణంలో శనివారం హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి జస్టిస్ శ్రీ నవీన్ రావు వర్చువల్ విధానంలో ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి జస్టిస్ శ్రీ షమీం అఖ్తర్, కరీంనగర్ ఉమ్మడి జిల్లా న్యాయమూర్తి శ్రీమతి ఎంజి ప్రియదర్శిని, జగిత్యాల రెండవ అదనపు న్యాయమూర్తి శ్రీ జి. సుదర్శన్ గారు, రాష్ట్ర ఫైనాన్స్ కమిషన్ చైర్మన్ రాజేశం గౌడ్, జగిత్యాల స్థానిక ఎమ్మెల్యే డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ కుమార్, మున్సిపల్ చైర్పర్సన్ శ్రీమతి బోగస్ రావణి, అదనపు ఎస్పీ శ్రీ రూపేష్ గారు, బార్ అసోసియేషన్ అధ్యక్షులు సురేందర్, కార్యదర్శి చంద్రమోహన్, ఉపాధ్యక్షులు మధుసూదన్ రెడ్డి మరియు కార్యవర్గ సభ్యులు పాల్గొన్నారు. న్యాయవాదులు ముడుగంటి జనార్దన్ రెడ్డి, సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం, కృష్ణహరి, సర్వ గంగాధర్, జున్ను రాజేందర్, శ్రీరామ్ కర్ణాకర్, గట్ల మారుతి, దుర్గపు రవీందర్ గౌడ్, చిలకమర్రి మదన్ మోహన్, భూమి రమణ మరియు పలువురు న్యాయవాదులు మరియు న్యాయస్థానం ఉద్యోగులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
And in turn, the Bar Association Jagtial handed over part of for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases in Jagtial, along with the premises temporarily for functioning of the POCSO court at Jagtial in the court building complex, Milord. This court is very convenient to the litigants of Jagtial district jurisdiction and public in general to get the least cost, Milord. The Bar Association Jagtial is thankful to Honorable Chief Justice of High Court for the State of Telangana, Honorable Justice Sri Shmim Akhtar, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar, as well as who was native of our Jagtial district, other than the Honorable Justice Pri Naveen Rao Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, Milord. Priyadarshini, the Honorable Principal District and Session Judge Karimnagar, and the Honorable Second Sudarshan Garu, Sri Ugulot Ravi, the District Collector, Honorable the Collector Garu of Jagtial for making this program a great success apart from the endeavor efforts in the allotment of land to an extent of 10 acres 12 guntas at Darur Camp Jagtial for future construction of court buildings at Jagtial Judicial District, and for providing 27 guntas of land for parking of vehicles at existing court building complex, Milord. And also Bar Association Jagtial wholeheartedly expressing gratitude for sanctioning allotment of funds for the said court and inaugurating fast track special sessions court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial, Milord. And also thankful to Madam Srimati Darshini, the Honorable Principal District and Session Judge Karimnagar, presiding with this program by giving most valuable time for taking a lot of pains for the inauguration. Non-officials, advocates, and all of the participants, print and electronic media, for extending their cooperation for making the inauguration of POCSO Court program a great success. Being the President of Bar Association Jagtial, with regard to the requirements of Jagtial District Judicial Courts in headquarters.
Now I request Honorable Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu to inaugurate the POCSO Court and also Bar Association building.
Mr. Lakshman Kumar Garu, please kindly address.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Presiding over today's meeting, Srimati M.G. Priyadarshini, Principal District Session Judge, Karimnagar. Today's Chief Guest, Honorable State Justice Pongoti Naveen Rao Garu, Judge High Court of State of Telangana. Honorable Dr. Justice Shemi Makhtar Garu, Judge High Court of State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District. Respected Tandra Surinder Garu, respected Collector Ravi Garu, respected Rupesh, SP of Jagtial, senior advocates, brother advocates, Sanjay Kumar, member of Legislative Assembly, press, ladies and gentlemen, and presidents of different bar associations. It's a very good note today. We have the fast track court opening, and our portfolio judge, Dr. Shemi Makhtar, when he has taken charge after COVID, we got all the courts opening in this district, sir. Chief Justice Pongoti Naveen Rao Garu, who has sanctioned so many courts to this district, and we advocates request you to continue same support to the advocate community of the Karimnagar district. Sir, this Karimnagar district is 13 bar associations, one of the biggest district in Telangana, and we have more than 2,200 advocates practicing, sir. They are very senior good advocates. And the bench and bar relation is very good. And I once again thank on behalf of the advocate community, Honorable Justice.
Function Srimati M.G. Priyadarshini Garu, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Karimnagar. Chief guest of the function, Honorable Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana, and Honorable Dr. Justice Shemi Makhtar Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge for Karimnagar District. Other participants, Honorable Sri G. Sudarshan Garu, Second Additional District and Sessions Judge, Karimnagar and Jagtial, President of the Bar Association, Tandra Surinder Garu, Lakshman Kumar Garu, Member Bar Council of Telangana, Rupesh Garu, Additional SP. Other Honorable Public Representatives, Judicial Officers, Advocates, Members of the Bar Association, Press, Media, a very good morning to all of you. We are privileged to have the inauguration of the Fast Track Special Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial being inaugurated today virtually along with the Bar Association building. We are very much thankful to the Government of Telangana as well as Honorable Justice who have been kind enough to grace this function virtually. And special thanks to Sri Lakshman Kumar Garu and his family for constructing a building worth 1.2 crores and giving it to the Bar Association. With this court, the litigant people of Jagtial district would be benefited since the rape and POCSO cases would be disposed as expeditiously as possible. So, I requested the government for giving permission for the advance position of the same, and we will be handing over the advance position as expeditiously as possible, sir. And thank you for inviting me to this function and also making me involved in this function. Thank you very much.
Sri G. Ravi, District Collector, Superintendent of Police, Sri G. Sudarshan, Second Additional District Judge and President of Fast Track Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO cases, Jagtial. Other judicial officers, Mr. K. Lakshman Kumar, Member, Bar Council of the State of Telangana, Mr. Tandra Surinder, President, Bar Association, Jagtial, Senior Member, President, Member of Bar Association, Jagtial, staff member, inauguration of the POCSO Court and the Advocate Bar Association, Jagtial. My very good morning to one and all. I congratulate all stakeholders, particularly Conference family, who donated huge amount and constructed this beautiful building. I words in relation to Folks Act. The Folks Act is enacted for efficient the Indian section to children on the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. It safeguards the interests of the child victim at every stage.
Now in this time, the contributing to huge amount and creating very good purpose. We should be remembered forever. And we value this high a standing ovation from all of the
It was indeed a special day for all of us on this occasion for inauguration of Fast Track Special Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO Court cases at Jagityal. A very good and warm morning to all the Honorable High Court judges, guests, members of the Bar Association, District Collector, Additional SP, court staff, print and electronic media. With a great joy and immense pleasure, I consider it a great pleasure to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries on this August occasion on behalf of Karimnagar District Unit, my Lord. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed today's chief guest, Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Sri P. Navin Rao Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana. Your Lordship, for having taken time of your many responsibilities to join us here today and to share this occasion with us, and indeed for having inaugurated POCSO Court at Jagityal and valuable thoughts sharing with us on this occasion. We are deeply grateful to Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. Shamim Akhtar Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District, for gracing this occasion with Your Lordship esteemed August presence and enlightening the act to all of us and with a great thoughtful message, my Lord. I take this opportunity to explain an extent of 10.12 gunttas at Darur camp for construction of court building complex, my Lord. I also express my thanks to C.H. Rupesh, Additional Superintendent of Police, Jagityal, and police officials for extending their cooperation for security arrangements. On behalf of Karimnagar District Unit and Bar Association of Jagityal, I convey our gratitude and heartfelt thanks to Sri D. Ramakant Garu, Registrar IT from CPC, for his cooperation and for the web links provided for this inaugural function. Lastly, my thanks are due to my colleague officers and staff of e-courts, court staff who
సార్ సురేంద్ర సార్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం సార్ ఫోన్ డౌన్ చేయండి
జయశ్రీ కౌన్సిలర్ సిస్టర్ జయశ్రీ
ఒకసారి ప్రెస్ వార్డు వెళ్తే ఆయన బెంచ్కి రాగానే మీరు అందరూ పెట్టుకోవాలి. కోర్టు ప్రొసీడింగ్స్ ఏమి కూడా మీరు
So a big applause. All interest to inaugurate this meeting. We are grateful to the Honorable District Judge for taking you have donated us land, provided infrastructure for the fast track court, and you have always visited our court premises, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. On behalf of the Bar Association, we also invite Sanjay Kumar, member of Legislative Assembly.
మా లోకల్ మా లోకల్ కౌన్సిలర్ గారు మా బార్ మెంబర్ జయశ్రీ గారిని మా లక్ష్మణ్ కుమార్ గారిని పైన బార్ అసోసియేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో సన్మానం చేయబోతున్నాం కాబట్టి వారిని కూడా పైన మేము సన్మానం చేయాలని